Hey guys, check this out. We get this question all the time. What is Cardano? What is that actually about? What is all the hype about? Let's dive right into it. Cardano was founded in 2017 by Charles Hoskinson 2 years after he helped create blockchain technology called Ethereum. He's also co-founded IOHK, which is Input Output Hong Kong, which is a company that actually built the Cardano blockchain. Cardano uses time stamping scheme called proof of stake. Proof of stake is also the system by which miners in the Cardano ecosystem validate and mine block transactions. A stake is simply a number of coins, in this case 88 coins, that one holds, which means it also determines one participation creation of new blocks. Using the knowledge gained from Ethereum project, Hoskinson used the idea of smart contracts into the Cardano project. Cardano sets itself apart into the cryptoverse in that it was conceived through peer-reviewed research. The research yielded some unique features such as platform security, system sustainability, and a robust and professional development community. Now, this is huge. This process isn't really used by anyone in the crypto space when we talk about peer-reviewed. And despite, back in 2017, most projects were not doing peer-reviewed. They were just getting it out, rushing to the market, and that typically will result in errors. According to the project website, IOHK created Cardano to restore trust in the global systems by availing a new standard of technology, and therefore change makers, innovators, and visionaries can leverage the technology to create a society that is, as the website says, more secure, more transparent, and fair. So according to the project website, IOHK created Cardano to restore trust to global systems by availing a new standard in technology that is inclusive and open source. Changemakers, innovators, and visionaries can leverage the technology to create a society that, as the website further states, is more secure, transparent, and fair. So ADA, which is the native token and the digital currency that facilitates transactions among the parties in the Cardano environment, the token ranks among the top 10 in terms of market cap, as data on CoinMarketCap shows. It is peer-to-peer transactions in a trustless yet secure environment and free from intermediaries. For this reason, transactions over the Cardano blockchain are fast and cheap. Cardano's cryptocurrency is legitimate and has legitimate advantages over fiat currencies. For example, Cardano Foundation adopted a limit of ADA supply of 45 billion tokens. The idea is to avoid inflation such that the value of the tokens remain strong. Also, ADA defeats fiat currency in terms of transaction speed by virtue of peer-to-peer transaction. Fiat currencies require intermediaries like banks to enforce trust, which leads to bottlenecks along the transaction chain. ADA does not do that. Unlike most blockchain projects, Cardano did not start with a white paper, but as a result of peer-reviewed research carried out through evidence-based methods. This is huge. For this reason, Cardano works according to a philosophy outlined from the outset of Charles Hoskinson. So we see what they're doing, we see the roadmap, we look at Byron, Shelley, Godwin, and the transparency of the roadmap, which isn't really found in many cryptocurrency projects, which really separates Cardano from other blockchain projects. So according to Cardano's website, the following principles and philosophy guide the implementation. The platform separates accounting and computation each into its own layer. Secondly, developers implement the core components of the platform in a highly modular functional code. Most importantly, peer-reviewed research guides decision-making within the Cardano community. Now, there are 3 elements to spell out how Cardano works in light of stated principles and philosophy. They are scalability, sustainability, and interoperability. According to Charles Hoskinson and his team of developers, Bitcoin introduced blockchain 1.0, which entails money transfer in a peer-to-peer system. Ethereum brought us blockchain 2.0 by introducing smart contracts. Therefore, it was Cardano's turn to deliver blockchain 3.0 by solving issues that dodged the ecosystem all along, which is scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. The blockchain technology uses the Ouroboros protocol, which is the protocol to decentralize the network and to scale sustainability without compromising on a platform's security. Developers and miners validate transactions based on their ADA stake. And furthermore, Cardano's separate layers enabled to achieve great computational speeds. The settlement layer hosts ADA and it tracks transactions among its peers. So we look at Cardano, we look at Shelley, we look at Godwin, and we see how the Cardano roadmap is doing what it said. It's doing exactly what it said when we talk about focusing on decentralization, scalability, governance, smart contracts, and pretty much laying the foundation for the process in which how blockchains are built. So this is why we love Cardano here at Clockwise Crypto, and ultimately, we see how most blockchain platforms handle one aspect of the technology without addressing the entire aspects of blockchain technology. Cardano incorporates all generations of the blockchain into 3 layers, where each layer takes care of one blockchain generation. Ultimately, this makes Cardano more powerful. Hope you guys got some value of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do.